Flappy Bird. One of the most common and most popular game amongst children is Flappy Bird. We have built it using Python, in which we have used the Pygame framework. Few basic requirements before actually coding the games are here. In gallery folder, we have two folders, one is audio and the other one sprites, in which we have images like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which shows the level of the game and also the score. Here we have background images used, the intro image and the pipe. In audio, we have the different audios. Here is the main code for Flappy Bird game. We have imported Pygame module. Then here we have set the screen width, screen height. Here's the welcome screen function, the main game function, the get random pipe gives the random size of pipe in the game. When we run the program, we will get the game screen here, and when we press the spacebar key,